Cornmeal, these niggas sound crazy.
If you take a picture, do not tag me. I got a baddie that call me daddy. I went from playing ball at that backstreet. I gotta have you to my...
Welcome back, guys, to another video. I know it's been a while. I know. It's been a real long time. I've been saying I'm gonna be consistent. There's been a lot going on, but we here at Elite Tuners car show. We're about to watch some drifts. About to see what cars they got. You know, I just got my ticket. Hold on. Just got my ticket and all that, so yeah. I think this is for a raffle, honestly. I believe. So I might be going home with something. Hopefully I do. We'll see in the video. You know what I'm saying? But let's get right into it.
Vibes, not a weekend out of MIA. I'm talking meal times, eating lobster mac while in the bank. Too real to realize I was stacking up for larger plays. Talking, I ignore these days. For my haters, I'ma pray, yeah. Cause they ain't getting cash like me, getting they bag like me, popping these tags like me. No.
If you take a picture, do not tag me. I got a baddie that call me daddy. I went from playing ball at that backstreet. I gotta have you to myself like a Max B. Wavy as ever, oh, a young nigga feeling wavy as
Borrow seats. Shout out to all my Honda guys. Tech, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I didn't even see the purple. And they got the skeleton inside. That's tough. Oh, they got the choke. Clean engine bay. Oh, nah. It's a bottle? Nah, Dad. Yeah, Dad, come here. Come here. Look at this. Look at this shit. This is crazy. I believe that's the coolant. BRG right here. Big turbo. I believe SGR. I believe for WR. Tag. I ain't gonna find that shit. Wow. OD. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. He violated this see-through hood on this Civic. This is clean. What up, guys? Just getting back from the car show. A lot of traffic. Shit was litty. We got more videos to come. And just like that, hello. I'm out of here, man.
I step up in the spot and some dick, son. All my niggas lit, baby, pick one. We gon' do some numbers on this one. I can show you how to triple your income. Big body music.